Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make fried fish. For the ingredient, I have whole 3 fish and 2 cloves of garlic, sugar, black pepper, dry herb, and salt. Okay, right now I'm going to slice the fish for both sides. Okay, slide the fish like that. Okay, and right now I'm going to add the seasoning. We put some black pepper. Okay, and then sprinkle some salt. For the sugar, I'm not put a lot, just put a little bit. Okay, and right now I put some dry herb. For the dry herb, I have rosemary, thyme, and coriander, 3 mixing together. I'm going to chop the garlic inside the fish. Okay, chop garlic inside. Okay, and then I'm going to keep the fish about 1 hour. Okay, right now I'm going to deep fry the fish. Okay, right now I'm going to flip it over. Okay, I would like to tell you, for one side I cook about like 5 minutes, another side for 5 minutes on the medium high heat. Okay, right now the fish is done for both sides. Okay, right now the fish are done. It was so crispy.